In this video, I'm showing you the whole process of creating this illustration on Photoshop. From how I decide on my style, where I find my materials for editing, how I make the editing process more efficient, and well, how to edit. Hi, this is Per, and welcome to my channel. First, I'm searching for a style I want to edit my project with. And for that matter, I'm always going straight to Pinterest. For instance, this is the style I'd like to try for my project. Something artistic, lively, and with vibrant colors. After I'm deciding on my style, I'm going to free stock websites to find my materials. In reality, it takes a bit longer to explore and finding the style and then finding the materials, but I'm pretty sure you get the gist of it. At this stage, I'm dividing my project into 7 sections, and I'm deciding on what I'm gonna do with each section. So the first section is ground area, and I want green grass all over the ground area. The second section is the background, containing of the sky and the trees behind the house. For the lake, I would simply replace the water. When I'm adding more texture and color to the dock, I want the house walls bright sharp yellow and some small retouch of the roof and the windows. And the car has to be a vibrant red. And of course, we need people figures to add more personality to the project. Now let's get into the business. First, I'm exporting the files I need from Sketchup. In any style, I think it might come handy later. For instance, with the help of these files, I have made the selections of the different parts before, so we could get into the editing without wasting any time. These selections would be really helpful if I want to come back later and change something. So in an orderly fashion, I'm starting off with the ground. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. I'm using this grass texture. However, it's too realistic, so I'm using another texture over that grass just to give it a grainy, faded look. Now for the background, I'm using this watercolor sky. And this tree painting for the trees behind the house. I'm using this picture for my lake water, but the edges of where the grass and the lake meet shouldn't be this sharp and defined. So I'm using the grass texture again to create more grassy details around the edges of the lake using the brush tool. And after that, I'm adjusting its color to the grass next to it. For the wooden wharf or the dock, don't know which one is more commonly used for this particular one. All I'm doing is to boost its original texture and color by using another grainy texture. I want the walls of this house sharp, bright yellow, so I'm using a hue and saturation layer. Now I'm adding a texture to the walls. And look how good it looks now. And another texture for the roof, just to replace the original repetitive texture of itself. And to replace these gray windows, I'm using this texture and adjusting its color. As I said in the beginning, I want this car to be a bright, vibrant red, cause it looks great next to the yellow house. Now let's add some human figures to give our project more personality. For the last touches, I'm using this filter. And I'm also using this file above my layers. As you can see, it has a nice sharpening, defining effect. And that's it. That's the final result. This was the whole process behind this illustration. Please let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day!